I'm here with Phil from Associated Scales and Rice Lake. Phil, great to meet you here at CEMAT. How are you?
I'm very well, thank you. Yourself?
Great, great. So tell us about Associated Scales and Rice Lake. There's some pretty impressive machinery here.
Well, Associated Scales is Rice Lake's represented in Australia. We are Rice Lake US-based company established in Rice Lake, Wisconsin, and we specialize in weighing equipment. And on this particular exhibition, we focus on dimensioning machines. So we focus on having an integrated weight plus dimension value, which is for our customer base a way to save money.
Yeah.
So we're trying to optimize their throughput, optimize their inventory, and help them in a very good manner. Benefit of our machinery is that we got no moving parts. It's half a second measurement, and you get everything in the snap of a fingers.
Yeah.
Other benefit of Associated Scales here is that they are Australian-based company. They own the largest inventory of our stuff in Australia, and that's where I'm here to support them.
Yeah. Wonderful. And I know that the tech, it's 3D scanning as well, so you can do weights, dims instantaneously.
Absolutely. Yeah. Weight, dimension, volumes. If you have a forklift, you have the operator name coming out. Every valuable data to help you optimize your payload management.
Yeah. And payload, as you say, it's for inventory management, slotting, even for utilization for full trucking and LTL, everything like that.
Absolutely. The best example I could give you is a medical components company. They are using those kind of machines to tuck every boxes in the truck in the best way that they could deliver things in a smart manner.
Yeah, great technique, and it's actually very sustainable too. If you can use full utilization,
absolutely,
it's much
absolutely. The idea here, and that's the goal of our industry, weighing systems, is to help people save on cost and money by optimizing their weights and volumes. And it's something we very focus on, and we try to stick to that.
Yeah, great. And as you said before, Phil, I think the fact that there's no moving parts, it's a huge benefit.
There's no moving parts. Again, it's way faster than other solutions with moving scanners. They're low maintenance, and on top of that, those machines are legal for trade in Australia. The good thing is that Associated Scales has put money to train people to be certifiers for this machine, right, so they could service it, they could approve them, etc., etc.
Yeah, really important for the Australian market. Yeah. People have to have that confidence that they can pick up the phone and call someone.
Indeed, and they have nationwide coverage because of Associated Scales. We could be on every spot of the country.
Yeah, wonderful. Yeah. Well, looks really cool, great equipment. I'm sure it'll be a lot of interest from all the people. How have you found CEMAT so far?
Thank you. Yes.
Yeah. You've enjoyed CEMAT?
Absolutely, that was a great show. We had a lot of visitors, pick up a lot of interest, and I think David here is going to have a lot of business to do very soon. Thank you very much.
Thanks, Phil. Appreciate your time.
Yeah. Cheers.
Thank you.